Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. So today we are going to learn how to check if an object is empty or not. There are two methods, that is object.keys and object.values. So those who haven't subscribed my channel, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first method, that is object.keys. So here you need to send the object and check the length is equal to 0. That means object is empty, else it's not empty. Okay, keys means like if I'm going to define the keys like email, like here you can see that if I'm going to define this one like email, and it has some values, right? Like test at the rate gmail.com. In that scenario, this is key and this is value, so we are checking this one. So that keys, if the object has the keys length, that means it's 0, that means object is empty. Same scenario, if I'm checking this one, if the object dot values length is 0, that means object is empty. So let's have a look on that one. If I go and just check this one, reload, uncalled object is already declared. Okay, so we don't require to, I'm taking the object one. Okay, let's save it and let's have a look on that one. So here we go with this one, reload, object is empty, right? Here you can see that object is empty. There are two, then I'm going to add this one, this, and this is that one. Here I'm going to add this one, then it will come with this one. Okay, so reload this one. Is it okay? So step by step. Okay, so here first one, that is object, this one is not coming up because the object is not empty because it has the keys, right? So that's the reason it's not coming up. If I just remove this one and just remove this and save this one, what happened? It will show that both the values are there, object is empty, object is empty. Okay, so you can determine with the help of the keys and with the values, and it's very easy to check if an object is empty or not. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.